Welcome back to this video. If you use Infinix Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to unlock your XHide file and how you can explore and use it to hide any file or document on your Android Infinix phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to locate File Manager on your phone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to make use of search right here. Then I'll simply type in File Manager, just like so. I'm going to simply click on File Manager right here. Then after click on File Manager, I'm going to simply click on here to expand. Then down below right here, I have XHide. I'm going to simply click on it. Now, when you click on your XHide, it will be hard to set up with your security lock pattern. So enter your lock pattern and it open up like so, just like what you see right here. Now, these are all information that you can simply hide into this particular XHide file. You can add your picture, you can add photo, you can add app, you can add audio recording, and you can hide documents. About 5 different things you can hide, right? So just like so, if you want to add any file right here in your hidden folder, what you need to do is to exit from here. Then let's, for instance, I want to send a picture to my XHide file. So what we want to do is to click on the images right here. So this image right here, I'm going to move it to my X file. So for me to do that, I'm going to click on Hold down, and this is going to pump up. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this 3 dots right here from the bottom corner right here. Now you have moved to XHide. Select on XHide. Then the photo has moved and has disappeared from here. You can move as many as possible photo right here. I want to move this one also. Click on Hold down, click on these 3 dots, move to XHide. Now this one too has been moved. You can go back and then choose any other file again. Let's, for instance, I want to move audio file. I'm going to click on audio section. Then here I will click on Hold down. I'll click on these 3 dots and I'll click on move to XHide. Now we have moved as many as possible file into our X file folder. What we want to do is to see how we can have access to them. Then when you come back to your browse section right here in media section, click on XHide. Having click on XHide, provide your security lock pattern and it take you right here. Then select the item you move to the X file to view them. For you to do that, let's, for instance, I move pictures right here. I will click on picture. Having click on picture, here we go. We have all the picture that we move to the XHide file right here. You can check them one after the other. Next, if you want to check on the audio file that you move to the X file, come down below right here where you have recording right section right here. Click on that and then you have access back to your audio file. With this video, click on the video, you have access back to the video file. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to unlock your XHide file folder in your Infinix Android. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.